MudStop grass protection mesh is designed to reinforce and protect grassy areas from damage due to vehicular and pedestrian traffic. The specifically engineered osculated mesh provides enhanced traction while distributing the weight of a vehicle tire or foot over a larger area, greatly reducing rutting and damage to grass areas. While providing stability, MudStop HG allows for grass to grow through its openings, providing a more natural-looking surface. With appropriate watering and care over time, the grass root zone can overtake the mesh, providing a completely natural look with an ultra-reinforced surface. Installing MudStop HG is a very simple and straightforward process. First, cut the grass area short so that the mesh can be applied as close to the root zone as possible. Next, roll out the mesh on the grass's surface. Lastly, using 8-inch ground staples, affix the mesh to the ground surface, placing one staple every 18 inches in all directions. As a general rule of thumb, the more staples you use, the more secure the mesh will be. Edges and seams may require additional staples, depending on the installation site characteristics. While stapling, be sure to smooth out any bumps or bubbles in the mesh caused by an uneven grass surface. The mesh can be easily cut with a pair of utility scissors. To connect multiple pieces together, simply place the additional pieces adjacent to the existing mesh. Be sure not to overlap the adjoining pieces. Using ground staples, secure the additional piece in place. You can now pull your vehicle onto the newly reinforced surface. Notice that the mesh easily supports the tires of this heavy vehicle. This particular installation was performed on wet lawn after a rainfall the night before to demonstrate the strength of MudStop HG. The surface is also excellent for protecting grassy pedestrian walkways against damage from foot traffic. Another popular application is for use in dog runs. The osculated pattern provides small openings in the mesh which are safe for paws of both large and small dogs. MudStop HG versus economy grass protection products. Various online retailers sell very inexpensive grass protection mesh, which at first glance may appear to do the job. We put it to the test. As you can see by handling the economy-grade mesh, it is very flexible and is able to be twisted in each direction. Contrasted against MudStop HG, there's an immediately noticeable difference in stiffness, material thickness, and overall strength. On the left, we installed the economy mesh, and on the right, MudStop HG. We pulled the vehicle onto both mesh products and turned the front tires a number of times. As you can see, the economy mesh immediately rips up. MudStop HG on the other side stays in place. Next, we backed out the vehicle to inspect the impact to the grass's surface. Upon removing the economy mesh, a large tire imprint is revealed in the lawn, which will soon become a muddy rut. After pulling back MudStop HG, you can see there is no imprint or rut. The grass surface is completely unaffected. MudStop HG is a heavy-grade grass protection mesh that you can count on to perform in a wide variety of applications and is engineered to withstand frequent vehicle and pedestrian traffic. Visit mudstop.com for pricing and additional product information.